You're not being fair, Mr. Chair.
I am fair kasi nandito ka sa...
No, kasi nung last time, sabi mo sa akin, 2 questions lamang. Sabi mo 1 question. Sabi ko, tinitipid mo ako, sabi mo 2 questions. And now, pinapayagan mo kahit na ilang questions. Be fair, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, excuse me. Mr. Chair, because the last time I was here, I was only allowed 2 questions by you. And yet, mga kasamahan ko rito, bilang respeto sa mga kasamahan ko, they were allowed na 1 to sawa. Dapat maging fair ka, Mr. Chair. Pag sinabi mong 2 questions, 2 minutes talaga, you have to stick with it. You're not being fair, Mr. Chair.
I am fair kasi nandito ka sa...
No, kasi nung last time, sabi mo sa akin, 2 questions lamang. Sabi mo 1 question. Sabi ko, tinitipid mo ako, sabi mo 2 questions. And now, pinapayagan mo kahit na ilang questions. Be fair, Mr. Chair.
Teka muna, bago tayo magkaroon ng impression na walang fair dito, noon, sinabi ko na in the earliest statement na como nag-uumpisa tayo noon at kinakailangan nating mabakate ang plenary at exactly 2:15, kaya tayo nagmadali. Kaya naman sabi ko sa inyo, pasensya na muna. Ngayon, sa dami ng gustong magtanong, kaya binigyan natin ng tigpa 5 minutes ngayon. Kaya lang, I am following a schedule here. Ito pa yung nandito kung wala na si Senator Marcos, tapos ka na.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman,
Chair,
I
akala
made
ko
the
po ako
motion,
yung sunod
Mr.
kay
Chairman.
Senator De La
I have
Rosa.
a pending motion, Mr. Chair.
I second the motion.
And
Hindi,
duly
kasi
seconded, Mr.
tapusin
Chair.
muna natin yung bitin na kasi hindi tayo, na para tayo nagpapatintero, Madam Kowa eh.
I'm now being tempted to raise a point.
Sagot, Your Honor. Kasi ganun
Pareho ang
po yung proseso
isasagot.
natin. Opo.
O, sandali lang. Let us follow the...
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chair.
I'm now being tempted to raise a point of order, Mr. Chairman. I made a motion duly seconded, Mr. Chairman.
kasi nga kung...
To subpoena, Mr.
Yeah.
Chairman, today, Mr. Chairman, I'm asking it today because they said
if that
fix
will
it
help us,
today.
okay. Any second?
Second.
It was already seconded, Mr.
Oh, there's a motion and there's second. The motion is approved. Then let's
Thank you,
continue
Mr.
with the questioning.
Mr. Chair. Sir, kasi yung 5 minutes ko, maraming sumingit. Last na lang, isa lang.
Hindi, kasi
maigsi.
hindi na makakaano itong mga kasama natin.
With the permission of Senator Tulfo. Senator Tulfo, maigsi lang. Maigsi lang. Ha?
Di ba, Mr. Chair?
Kasi ang sabi ng, Mr. Chair, sabi ng kuwa,
Teka muna, with the permission of Senator Tulfo.
okay lang?
Clarification, Mr. Chair. Akala ko po ako yung
Oo nga,
kasunod
kayo na po ang
ni
susunod.
Senator
Kaya
De La
lang, ang
Rosa.
daming ayaw pang bumitaw. Wala
Hindi,
tayong-
hindi.
Hindi ho,
Marami
naghihintay
kayo
naman po
last
ako.
na to, last.
Tinatanong ko lang po
Last,
yung sequence.
And then
Salamat,
last,
Mr.
and then
Chair.
Senator Risa.
Salamat, Mr. Chair.
Pagkatapos wala na si Senator Amy, Senator Rapi.
Yeah.
Sandali lang, ikaw na muna.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, considering that